Creating exceptional shopping experiences at your dealership starts with taking control of your data, and that demands a platform powerful enough to support it. Fullpath's Customer Data Platform, or CDP, is designed to break down data silos, optimizing your operations, and improving the customer experience by normalizing, consolidating, and cleaning up 10 years of your data. Fullpath creates 360-degree shopper profiles that include every interaction with your dealership at every point of the customer journey: showroom visits, website browsing, email engagements, ad interactions, and more, so you can engage them personally on what really matters to them. Clean data also means you can easily create unique audiences for dealership marketing campaigns. Questions like, show me everyone who visited this specific DDP in the last 10 days but hasn't yet submitted a lead. This helps marketers slice and dice shoppers to create hyper-targeted audiences. It's a state-of-the-art technology that creates full visibility into your shopper behaviors and inventory trends to improve dealership operations at every level. Leverage the power of your unified data to give shoppers the dealership experience they've been looking for, only with Fullpath.